Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Before starting my video, if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please do, and do not forget to turn on notification as great contents are on the way. Okay, in this video we will continue with how to use GitHub in Visual Studio. To do that, let's create a new project first. Create a new project. It doesn't matter what kind of project you're going to use. Give a name GitHub test. Next, create. Alright. First things first, let's build our project first. You have to get used to this action once you created a new project, because if there is a problem, you need to know before develop your project, guys. The project is working, perfect. Let's close it now. Now we're going to create our repositories. Let's click this Git source control, click Git. If you remember our previous project, we closed this section by clicking local only. Now we're going to use GitHub as well. These sections are stay same, and I'm going to use this account. If you didn't open an account yet, go to github.com website and create an account, and you can use your credentials. You need to use your credentials to log in when you click create and push button here. Alright. This is the owner name. This is repository name, which I'm going to use the same as solution name. Description, study purpose project. You can leave it empty. If you would like to add the description, just type something. If you would like to private repository, just click it, and if you want to use as a public to reach everyone to your project, just clear the box. And now I would like to use as a private for now. Let's create and push. When I clicked it, there is 3 action we expect to happen. The first one is local repository is going to be created. The second one is the remote repository is going to be created. And the third one is local repository will be pushed to the remote repository. Okay, let's click and see what's going to happen now. Now I'm waiting. GitHub repository started. And I'm waiting to be finished. Must be finished. Yeah, create GitHub repository, created and pushed repository GitHub successfully. Perfect. There is a little bit changes if you compare with the previous video. If you click here, you have a remote section, and you will able to see your remote branches. And previous video, if you look at this section, you're able to see how many commit you have done, but now how many commit is waiting to be pushed and how many commit waiting to be pulled. This is the section to see incoming and outgoing commitments. Alright, perfect. Let's start the project. Before starting commits and pushing our commits to the remote, I would like to tell you this video is going to be single use purpose GitHub usage. Okay, there is no collaborates, there is no teammates. We're going to create a project and we develop on our own and we push to the remote repository. Okay, perfect. Let's start adding some features to our project and using our remote repository. To do that, I'm going to create a new branch for development. I never use main branch to develop my projects. Let's create. Now I'm checked into the dev. Now I'm going to develop, I'm add some features my project. Add class features 1. Let's add one more class. Obviously I'm not developing a project, it's just at the purpose. I do some changes to add commits in our repositories, guys. Features 2. Just imagine you add some features to your project and you test it and they are working. Now it's time to commit them and merge with your main branch. Okay, let's have a look our changes. Perfect, these are our changes. Let's add our message. Features are added. Perfect. Let's commit them now. They are committed. Let's have a look our branch now. Manage branches. Guys, as you can see here, our main branch is still here at project files, but in development we add some features and it's waiting to be pushed. But I'm not gonna push my um, development branch. I'm going to merge my development with my main. Okay, now let's switch to the main because main is keeping my latest working codes. I'm gonna bring my development to the main right now. Right click on dev, merge dev into the main, and there is no conflict. Perfect. And now we merge it. Okay, perfect. Now main branch is waiting to be pushed. As you can see here, one, let's try to, yeah, one outgoing is waiting to be pushed, guys. Alright, what am I supposed to do now? You can use this section to use remote commands. This is fetch, pull, push, and synchronize. I'm going to show you step by step all of them. Let's push our changes to the remote first. I'm waiting. Pushing means started, and it's done. Perfect. Features are added. Right. Now we pushed our features to our remote repository. Let's have a look. Our GitHub account. This is our repository. Let's have a look. As you can see, features 1 and features 2 are here. Perfect. Alright, it's working, guys. Let's try to do something different and you will understand much more easily. Let's close this section. Now I'm going to add some specifications. Let's switch to development mode again. Yeah, we are in here. Let's add some specifications. All right. Specifications. Sorry, it's my bad. Perfect. Let's save it. Let's have a look at changes. It's time to commit. Let's commit them. Perfect. Now have a look our manage branches. As you can see, we need to bring our development to the main section because we test our code, it's working. We can take them to the main branch. Double click on main. We are in main now. Right click, merge dev to the main. No conflict, merge them. Alright, we are in main and it's fully synchronous with the development. Now we can push to the remote. Successfully push to the origin main. Okay, it's working, guys. Let's have a look our remote repository. Let's refresh it. Let's get in our project file and specifications are here now. Perfect. This is how I am using my local and remote repository while I was developing a project. I'm going to finish this lesson here, and next lesson will be going to about how to use GitHub local and remote repositories while we have when we have teammates, and if we become a collaborator to a project. I'm gonna explain everything to you. Then we're going to use fetch, pull, and synchronize on the next video. Take care of yourself, guys. See you on next lesson. Bye bye.